Dingo! You know what I'm saying? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy DeAndreDingo here, back with another video. Now, it's late night like usual, you know what I'm saying? I like to go on Yee when it's late at night, because that's when the baddies come on, you feel me? So we about to go on there, we just gonna try to talk to some girls, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's get into the video.
Dingo!
The dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie.
Yo.
Kiki, Wagwan, glasses.
Look at my cousin.
Yo, who that? Yo. Show me the black girl. Alright, relax, me know. Relax. What? Relax, me know. I say give it up, but relax yourself, my girl. Not gonna lie, girl on the right, y'all creep me out in the dogs. Y'all creep me out.
Who's on the right?
Right, left, whatever the freaking want be, y'all creep me out. Yo.
So I went and asked her.
Yo, at some time, now, girl, let me talk to you, now.
Huh?
Mr. At some time, let me talk to you.
What's up?
At time, now, man? First off, turn down the music,
Huh?
Turn down the music real quick.
Oh, god dang. Look at you.
Yeah, like, me I try to conversate, see?
Alright, so what?
No, so me, you know, how your night going?
Hmm?
Mr. How your night going?
What you mean?
What you mean, what me mean? Mr. How your night going?
What'd you say?
Mr. How is your night going?
I don't know what the fuck that means.
My girl, me ask you say if your night is good or is your night bad? Are you having a good night?
Oh, yeah?
Alright, that's what I was asking.
So why couldn't you say it straightforward like that?
Because what if me don't want to do that? Add some more time, Yes, thank you. What if I didn't want...
Where are you from?
Where you mean where I come from?
Where are you from?
Jamaica I come from.
What do you mean where I'm from? That's straightforward, like, I'm not being like you.
You just asked me where you just asked me where I come from, so I just answered you.
What'd you say?
I said Jamaica.
Oh,
Yeah. So where you come from?
California.
Oh, so you live in California right now? I live in New York. Bro, like, you dead ass? Nah, bro. Yo, what's poppin', man? Yo, you know what you look like? You look like Lil Wayne right now, man.
I knew it was coming.
Nah, you look like Lil Wayne. Or that nigga with that big ass chain. You know what I'm talking about?
You said who?
You know the nigga who wear them big ass chains? I can't remember his name.
2 Chainz?
What?
Nah, he wear that big ass chain. It's like a clock. I don't think you gonna know. But I don't know. I can't remember his name though. I can't remember his name, but I know exactly what I'm talking about.
I got a question.
What?
So if you hungry, right? And you eat your stomach, you still gonna be hungry?
That's not possible. You can't eat your stomach.
You never know what a motherfucker can do.
You're gonna be dead by then.
How?
What you mean how? First of all, if your stomach is gone, how you gonna know if you're hungry or not?
And you was playing.
Come on now, it's common sense. I know am I bugging? Yo, dogs. Wow, me Jenna, yo, so yo, what y'all deal with you?
Huh?
So what y'all deal with?
Wait, how you got that star? That star.
Huh?
name.
Huh?
That's all.
Me known.
How you do that?
What you mean how me do that?
Like that star that was on your name.
Me just tell her so. Me known dogs.
Oh,
Yeah. I'm a known person, see?
yeah, I know. I know you.
You don't know me. How you know me?
Yeah, I know you.
How you know me?
You know my mama.
Me don't know for your mother you. Me don't know for your mother dogs. Me don't know your talk about, but that not true.
Yeah, father for. Yeah, father for.
What?
Yeah, you power for.
Yo dogs, what kind of thing you say right now?
You don't understand me?
Me don't understand what you say. What you say?
I say, you know me. You
No, me don't know you. I mean, look here, boy. Me not a pitney. I don't know him at all. Yo, dog. Yo. Wagwan.
So,
Wagwan.
the fuck did you just say?
Mr. Wagwan. First of all, where's your mother? You over here curse. That not good. Look little white boy over here curse. Johnny, you're not supposed to curse. Yo, Wagwan. Ooh, ooh. What you say, oofa?
No reason.
So hold on. Why ain't not the darkness at some time? Alright, so your first thing first, turn on the light for me now.
I don't have lights.
First of all, you light?
I don't have lights.
Okay, you light, yo. You get all that light when God did not give you a light. But it's a light. Turn on the light now, man. Bumbo clot. You know what? Alright. Yo, that. Yo, put on the fake money, star. Fake money, that. Fake money. I said, put on the fake money.
Go on the cops.
Is it because I'm black? Yo, wagwan youth. You know, I don't know them dirty people here, man. Can't bother no more. Jesus. What this? Ooh, boy. At time, my girl, let me talk to you real quick, man. You see, correct. Me like you already know your odd time when I ask you for odd time. You see? Me like you already.
I got you. You already know.
Yeah, me already know. Alright.
You already know.
So hold on. How's your night doing?
It's going pretty good. I know I'm sleeping already.
Yeah, I could tell, you know you.
How about you?
Yeah, you're not bad, yeah, relax. My night is fine, you know.
Just chilling.
Mm-hmm. Is it my phone? Like, cause I'm not doing this, bro. Bro, what's it together? Them know. Yo, boom, clock, snow bunny. Hey. Y'all support Donald Trump? At time.
No.
At time. At time, the man.
No, we don't stop.
Oh damn! Like I was just. I didn't ask because you was white. You know what I'm saying? My bad, Betty. Yo, what's going on, girl?
What's up?
Nothing chilling. You know what I'm saying? How your night going?
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
It's
Just with my
good.
roommate. Say hi.
Oh, you in college? Oh, what's going on, roommate? At time, yeah, like that. Damn, like roomie looked like she was about to get down and dirty for me, like. Feel me?
What?
Yo, dogs. Yo. Hello. What is that? What?
Fucking Dorito. Bitch, I look like a Dorito. Fucking Dorito nose eye.
I look like a Dorito. What?
Looks like a remote head.
Bro, how you trying to cut my ass like you breaking up, bro?
You said what?
You trying to cut my ass, but you over there breaking up. I don't understand.
I know this
Oh, hell no, bro. Show your head just now, bro. Show your head, bro. Show your head, bro. Show your head, bro. Let me see it. Bro, I know you're not trying to cut my ass, bro. Look at your head, bro. You need a haircut, bro. I know them shit. Is this shit dreads? What the fuck? Bro, where you from, bro? Florida?
No, I'm from Florida.
Nigga, isn't that what I just said? So you damn.
You see that? I got that fucking haircut. I stay with a fucking haircut.
Nah, nigga, that shit look ugly as fuck, bro. Cut that shit off, bro. Cut that off. Cut that off, bro. Why do y'all Florida niggas do that, bro? That shit looks ugly as fuck, bro. What's up, Bree?
What's up?
Oh, she got braces too. Alright, you know what I'm saying? Fuck with it, fuck with it. Yo, hold on, where you from, girl? I said, where you from? Ask some time. Talk to me. Like,
I'm from Indiana. Where you?
Alright. I live in New York, you know what I'm saying?
New York, that's okay.
Yeah, bro. Hold on.
Damn.
You say you never been in New York?
It's storming outside. It was just lightning outside. Yeah. No, I never been to New York.
Alright, well, pop out. What you mean?
Shit, I went. I'm
No.
on my way.
Pop out, you know what I'm saying? There's a lot of space over here. Shit, you feel me?
Do you hear that shit?
I hear a lot of wind.
It's thunder.
It's raining?
Yeah, it's thunder.
Rain ain't really my friend, you know what I'm saying?
Actually, I kind of like it, but not all the time.
Alright, so hold on, if it's raining, you know what I'm saying? This is when you're supposed to have your nigga, you feel me? All cuddled up, you know, up in bed, you know, I'm chilling, you know what I'm saying? Watching a movie. Come on now. That's what you need in your life, girl.
Tired. Wait.
Hold on. Oh. I wasn't gonna have time. I don't got time for you, girl. Yo. Them long ass nails. Goddamn. Poke a nigga eye out with them shits.
Oh my god, it's a dent in my forehead.
I know, I see it. NBA young boy. Yo, what's going
Hi,
on?
DeAndre.
How you doing?
Are you lost, baby boy?
No, I'm in the lost, but baby girl, are you lost?
Of course, I'm waiting for you to find me.
Alright, well, yeah, that me can't see. I'll show you yourself. I saw time the right girl. Bumble clown. Yo, I'm done talk to them girls, yeah, man. Yo, end of the video. Yo, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notification. I'll come back for some more. DeAndreDingo. I'm out.